Oh, we had some good food
Hi
today.
guys, good evening. I'm just
There's nobody out there.
unboxing for my birthday present gift today. So this one here
You're
first.
very hungry. You become hungry. No.
Oh, that's nice. That's perfume.
Perfume with big bottle, eh?
Yeah,
Oh. We'll give
perfume. Burley, my
we'll
workmates.
give you perfume.
My workmates.
So you see pretty, you're gonna like to see pretty at work.
Oh,
Oh, pretty fancy looking. See pretty?
I think so. It smells good. It smells like
It'll
perfume.
take a little while before you come out.
It smells like perfume.
It's not too hard, not too strong.
Yeah. Thank you, Madam Burley, for this gift. Perfume. And this one. This is from Nerissa.
Is that panty?
No, this is from Madam Nerissa. Thank you so much.
Oh, pantyhose.
That's t-shirt.
What they say on panty?
Guess.
Yes.
That's t-shirt. I like it. We'll see. Oi. It's nice. Thank you, Madam. Si Madam Nerissa, thank you for this gift. That's nice. Thank you for this gift, Madam Nerissa. Hey, that's cute.
We'll give you that.
Nerissa.
Louisa.
And this one.
This one.
Oh. That's soap. Soap.
Soap?
Yeah, soap.
What does people say?
Sensi soap. Sensi.
Fancy soap.
Smells good.
Good?
Soap. For hand body soap. Oh, there's another more.
Oh,
From Ruby and Gab. Lipstick. Lipstick. That's cute.
It's red.
Pink. Pink lipstick. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Ate Ru. I thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate Ruby. Card. Nice kayong card. Oh, very fancy.
Oh, they put no money? Oh.
Very fancy card. Thank you so much. Thank you. From Ruby, Gab. And there's another more. There's another more. Cute.
More perfume.
No, it's not a perfume. It's a glass. Drinking glass.
Oh, drinking glass for beer.
For beer or ice cold water or maybe hot chocolate. There's a rubber here. That's nice. And there is straw.
This is straw.
Yeah. Here.
But
Cute.
there's a hole for the straw.
Cold water. You can put this one cold water. It's too heavy.
Maybe.
Yeah. Thank you, Ruby, for that gift. And this one here. Oh, I forgot. I know there is the one here. Oh, I forgot. I left there some. There is plant in the other house. So I got lipstick
Maybe.
and mascara for the eyes to make me pretty
Okay.
for the eyes. And this one for the eyes also to make pretty over here like that. Eyeliner. And this one is a lipstick. It's red color. Red color. That's my favorite.
Same color, other one.
No, it's red. 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 What color is this? It looks like red. Lipstick. MAC lipstick. Then eyeliner. Mascara. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ate A for the gift. And I have card here. Yeah, that's for Anna Hebs lipstick. And I have some flowers there in the house. So I didn't bring it. Another here. I have a birthday ribbon. Choo-choo. Cute. Happy birthday. And this one, this is for Arlene. That's bread. That's for you and me.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
very
bread.
heavy.
This is bread. It's too
Very
heavy.
Holy cow.
It's gihimo ra gid ni siya. Homemade bread. Homemade bread. Thank you, my sister-in-law, Arlene.
Oh, heavy.
And this one too, Arlene gave me. It's a chocolate candy. She gave me that.
It's a what?
Candy.
Candy.
God. Candy. Thank you so much for this. Salamat, maraming salamat. And meron akong madaming card. Daghan kay kong card. I have lots of card. This one. On your special day. With Arlene. Oh, thank you, Arlene. Very nice card. Very nice card. Thank you so much. Thank you. Nag-unboxing na taani, guys. This one here. Oh, very pretty. Nice card. Nice card. Ouch. I have lots of flowers there in there. Thank you. Very nice card. Hmm. Paano ba to? Woohoo! Thank you so
What's
much.
that?
Thank you. Gift card from the Hudson Bay. $160.
How much money?
160.
160. Who from?
From my workmates in the hospital. Design it in one
Oh,
card.
the many to pick up.
Everybody sign it. The one
Okay,
on.
we'll put money in.
Put money in, then design
Oh, that's good.
all their greetings and names
Yeah.
over here. Madam. Happy birthday, Madam Tere. Madam Tere, happy birthday. May all you wish come true. Stay pretty. Pretty. Healthy and yummy. Ooh, yummy. Kidding. Aside, wish you good health always. That's Verly, the one who gave me perfume, the girl, my workmate. Madam Terry, happy birthday. More blessing to come. Enjoy your day. Madam, nawaw mali ako nung isang araw. Akala ko ikaw yung nasa salubong ko sa hallway. Alam ko kasi nagbabalik ka na. Hindi ka pala reporting. Same height, pati paglakad. Kala ko ikaw. Pana pala. Anyway, happy birthday. Este birthday. Andrew. Madam Terry, happy birthday. May all the wish come true. Alexis. Madam Terry, they call me Madam Terry. Madam. Madam Terry and Madam Nerissa too. Me and Nerissa, they call us Madam. Madam Terry, happy birthday. All the best and God bless. El Mario. Madam Terry, happy birthday po. Sana po humaba pa ang iyong kaarawan and enjoy your day, Chris. Madam Terry, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Call center no more. Enjoy your day.
Really? So
Chad.
John didn't get the invite for supper?
Happy birthday po, Ate Terry. Wishing you all the best in life and that ma-enjoy niyo po ang karawan niyo po. Shani and Justin. Madam Teresa, hope your birthday is happy, wonderful in every way. For someone as nice as you are, deserves a perfect day. From Nerissa. Madam Teresa, happy birthday. Stay humble. Oh, from Nelson. All right. Madam Tere, happy birthday. Wishing you good health and many more blessings to come. Enjoy your day, Ruth. Madam Tere, happy birthday. Wish long life and happiness to your life. Jimmy. Thank you guys. Thank you. Very pretty. And thank you for the gift card. $160. Thank you so much. My workmates in the hospital, thank you so much. This one here. Best wishes on your birthday. This brings the very warmest thought and warmest wishes too for someone who deserved to have so many dreams come true. May all life finest things to be yours now that your birth is here, and each day bring you happiness throughout the coming year. From Greg and Doris Lynn. So they have flowers for me. Thank you so much. Very nice card. And this one too. Oh, wow. Very nice card. May your birthday and the year ahead hold more laughter, more happy surprises, and more wonderful memories than ever before. Love, Darren and Wendy McCarthy. So there's another. I never read the card here. There's another card. I know there's a nice card here. I never read it. I forgot. forgot to read. I forgot to read this card. This one. I know you like to keep your birthday simple, low key, not too much fussy, and you probably don't want to make a big deal out of it. Oh, that's nice. That's true. But I do. Di Teresa, you are amazingly wonderful, beautifully unique, and incredibly awesome. And you deserve to be celebrated every single moment of your special day. Happy, happy birthday. Oh, that's nice. I like that story. Hello? Ayaw. This one. Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Good friends are like stars. You don't see them, but you know they are always there. Your friendship means the world to me. Happy birthday. May all your birthday wishes come true. Love always. Anna. That's nice. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you so much. This one here. What is this? Oh. A birthday thought for my wife. They say it's good for men to get in touch with your feminine side. Oh. But I'd rather get in touch with yours. Ooh, look at this. That's really nice. Woohoo. I have money. Money, money. Much money. From Wendell Greer. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the money. Oh, look. Look at guys. I have money.
You can get back
I
now.
can give it back to you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now
That's
you can buy what you want.
really pretty. Very nice.
You buy your own gift.
But
don't know
I
what
can
you get.
I can give it back to you. I will keep that until July. I will keep that. I don't spend it until July.
That's right.
Yeah. Then give it back to you.
Oh, another cake.
Thank you so much, guys. And that's all my unboxing for tonight. And tomorrow, I still have more gift. I left there in the other house.
Oh,
I can't carry that all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you. And thank you for the birthday gift. Thank you. And have a good night, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.